everybody, it's Danica on the coast. I am coming to you from Waterscape today. I want to show you around one of my condos. You can find me on the web at rentwaterscape.com. I hope to see you soon. Let's go have a look. Hey everybody, I'm Danica on the coast and I'm here today to give you a tour of Waterscape Unit B520. This is a one-bedroom condo. It also has bunk beds. It has 2 bathrooms and a sofa bed, so it sleeps 6 people if you max out all the beds. I want to show you a little bit about the outside before we go inside. The first thing that I want to point out is the proximity. So, of course, we have a beautiful view on the inside, but this is the entry door, and you can see all the way down the island, which is very nice. You can see some of the restaurants here that you can walk to. It's pretty cool. I want to point out that the elevators are right here. So you park on the bottom floor and then you can just catch the elevator right there. It's pretty convenient. And then we have stairwell down on this end right here. We're on the 5th floor, so you're usually probably going to want to take the elevator. But going down is pretty easy. So also there are stairs right here by this elevator too. So at any rate, what I'm trying to convey to you is that access to this unit is pretty easy. Just park in the garage and then elevator straight up. Come on in. I'll show you around. This is our master bedroom. This is a king-size bed. I apologize for the closet being open. Inside the closet, though, we do have some cool things for you to use. We have a wagon in here. This wagon will eventually probably wear out, and I'll probably replace it with a large radio flyer wagon, so it may not be in the closet, but nonetheless, there will always be a wagon in my units. We have 2 beach chairs in here. There's a cooler, an extra umbrella. There's a high chair and a pack and play and sofa bed linens. We also have an air pump for the floats that are in the toy box. I do want to talk about why I provide the chairs and umbrella. So we do subscribe to beach service here. Beach service is 2 chairs and an umbrella set up for you on the beach every day by our beach service attendants. And that also comes with a kayak or a paddleboard for an hour every day of your stay. And all that is free. However, they shut down in the evenings about 5 or 6. So if you're here and you want to catch the sunset, in the summertime, the sunset is in between 7 and 8 o'clock. And so you may want to have your own chairs to take down there. Also, if you want to go to the fireworks, you may want to have chairs. Or if you're a snowbird, our beach service only operates from March through October or November. And so we have chairs in here if you want to come in the wintertime. This is our master bathroom. This is a tub and shower combo. We have a really nice shower head here. And there's a hair dryer under here, and all the linens, of course, are included. This is our air handler. This is our water heater. We have a beautiful washer and dryer here. And then this is the second bathroom. And the shower is kind of here behind the door. Nice little walk-in shower we have. And again, there's a hair dryer and your linens are included. So now you're coming into the kitchen area. This is our pantry where you would store your food. And this is a beautiful remodeled kitchen. We've cut the bar down from the original Waterscape units and put in this nice quartz countertop. It's just a lovely kitchen. I want to go over some of the things that are in the kitchen so you'll know what to expect when you get here. Up here is usually nothing because this area is really hard to reach, so these cabinets usually stay empty. But we have all the dishes that you need. This is our glasses. We have wine glasses, coffee cups, and the regular dishes are over here. We have plastic and glass dishes, and the reason we have plastic dishes is because glass is not allowed on the pool deck. And we have grills all down by the pool, so you can go down and cook out a burger or fry up some or grill out some seafood. And you can just take the plastic dishes down there, and you don't have to worry about the glass on the pool deck. Here we have mixing bowls. There's a nice rice cooker here. We have Tupperware, bakeware, tea pitcher, all of those kinds of things. Down here we have pots and pans, more mixing bowls, platters. There's a crock pot down there and a big stock pan. In these drawers here, we have lots of kitchen gadgets. I really like my kitchens to be to feel like home. So I don't really skimp on the kitchen tools. You're going to have everything that you need here to cook for your family and friends. We have our silverware here, and then under here we have our blender, and there's a waffle maker back there, cutting boards. Here we have more kitchen gadgets. Over on this side, we have more cutting boards. There's our mixer and a can opener. And here we have more gadgets, plus some scissors. Kitchen linens here. This one's empty. And then down here we have a fire extinguisher and a toolbox, a little bit of cleaner. If something breaks during your stay, feel free to grab a tool out of the toolbox, and if it's something that's easy like a loose screw, you're welcome to just fix that. If you would rather me come and fix it, I'll be happy to do that. But we do keep toolboxes down there because sometimes it's faster and easier for you to just grab a little tool and do a little tighten. Here we have a table for 4, and we also have seating under the bar for 3 extra people if you just want to hang out while you're cooking or whatever. It's just a nice little place. And then we have our bunk beds right here. So we can have 2 people in the master bedroom, 2 on the bunks, and then as I mentioned outside, 2 can fit on this sleeper sofa. So come on outside because I know that's what you're here for. Let's check it out. So I'm filming this tour in June, and it's on a Saturday afternoon. So this is our prime season. So this is about how crowded our pool deck is in the summertime. It is, being that it's Saturday, it is a turn day. So there's, a lot of people leave in the morning and then they come in the afternoon. So it's probably a little less crowded right now than it would typically be on any other day of the week. But you can see the kids are just having a great time. This here in front of us is our heated pool. It's heated in the winter. It's not heated in the summertime. The sun takes care of that. Over here to the left, we have our toddler splash pad with the water slide and a little covered play area for them. It's super fun. There's grills around all these pools. Down a little bit, you'll see our 0 entry pool with our lily pad course, and that's super fun for the kids. Make sure you bring your kids some gloves because they will hold on to those ropes until they get blisters on their hands. So the seasoned waterscapers always pack gloves. There's 2 hot tubs down there and our tiki hut. And then beyond that is our lazy river. It's a little hard to see right now because the palm trees are obstructing the view a little bit. And then beyond that is our beautiful beach. The blue umbrellas, if you're able to see those, are the beach service that I mentioned inside. That those are the chairs and umbrellas that are set up for you every day. And this is just such a wonderful place. There's really lots of room to spread out here. It's a great family place, and that's what you're seeing is lots of families, lots of children. It's just a wonderful place to vacation. I also want to let you know about our activities. We have lots of activities on our pool deck. We have from March through October, we have a weekly pirate show, a movie at the pool, a rubber ducky race in the lazy river. We have a glow night with a DJ. In the summertime, we have fireworks right on the beach. We have a bubble blast party and scavenger hunts and beach bingo. There's lots going on. So when you come here, you don't really have to go out and seek entertainment because there's enough to do right here on site to entertain your family. I want to point out a little bit about the patio. We have table and chairs here for 4 people. We have 1 lounger here and sort of an oddball chair sitting here, but it's nice. Sometimes you may want to come out and have your morning coffee. And then we have a deck box here that has all kinds of toys and floats in it for your kids to play with, so you don't have to bring those from home. One of the cool features about this unit is this really cool mural on the wall. And that is actually hand painted. It's not vinyl or anything. So it's just kind of a neat little thing that's particular to this unit. My name is Danica on the Coast. Thank you so much for touring this unit with me today. My website is rentwaterscape.com. I hope to see you soon.